Adding a Visa gift card to Venmo is a straightforward process. To begin, you'll need to have your Visa gift card, which resembles a standard credit card, complete with a card number, your name, expiration date, and CVV on the back. Once you have your card, open the Venmo app and tap the menu button, represented by 3 parallel lines in the top left corner. From there, select Settings and then choose the Payment Methods option. On the following page, tap Add Bank or Card and enter the required information, including the card number, expiration date, security code, and zip code. It's worth noting that the zip code can be from any location, but it's recommended to use a zip code from your area. After filling in the necessary details, tap Add to link the card to your Venmo account, allowing you to transfer funds from your Visa gift card to your Venmo account.